How are you all?
Welcome, sir.
Bienvenue dans cet esprit d'hospitalité convivial entre le père de Samba Diallo.
Resources, and we hope that you.
During the summit, we are going to have 7 round-table sessions on various areas. One of them is on financing. Another one is, for example, health and vaccine production. Another one is agriculture and sustainable development. We shall also be looking at the issues to do with education and digitization and all that. We'll be looking at also private partnerships, especially private sector and its cooperation. These are very important. We shall be looking at peace, security, and governance as well. We shall also be looking at climate change. Our president is coming here in a very unique position. First of all, of course, he's coming here as a head of state and a member of AU, like any other head of state. That's very important. But a very unique member of state because, you know, Kenya is a member, yes, of the UN Security Council at the moment. And you remember just the other day when the heads of state met in Nandis, again, Kenya assumed the chairmanship of security-related matters within the African Union. During this summit, the president is going to have several bilaterals with key ends of state.